Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Viewer Kurt snapped this beautiful photo of the sunrise this morning. You can see Mount McLaughlin in the background, Table Rock as well. Fantastic. But clouds have thickened up as we've gone throughout the day, and we are going to be seeing some wet weather return to the region starting tomorrow, but we're going to ease into it. It's going to be fairly scattered by tomorrow afternoon, but then the heavy, widespread rain and mountain snow works in tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. Here's a look at current temperatures. The clouds really had a big impact on temperatures today. It's rather chilly out there this evening, especially east of the Cascades, below freezing, 25 right now in Lakeview, only 29 in Klamath Falls, 18 in Christmas Valley. Some areas will drop tonight down into the lower 20s to teens in the Klamath Basin. We are in the 30s right now throughout our west side valleys, 39 in Medford, 32 in Mount Shasta. Mildest temperatures along the coast, 47 in Brookings. So the big weather maker, the big weather story right through the weekend will be an atmospheric river that is going to set up. We have a storm system, though, that will bring some scattered to spotty showers, rain and snow to our area tomorrow. But this atmospheric river is going to start to move on in tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. And what that means, well, heavy precipitation, rain and mountain snow. Will also get some gusty winds as this really sets up shop over the Pacific Northwest. It is going to move up and down around our area here through the weekend, but we are going to get through the weekend some very significant rain and even some snow amounts in our higher elevations, it looks like. We'll break that down in a bit. But tonight, in the meantime, a few showers possible along the coast. Otherwise, mainly dry conditions, lots of clouds, and a chilly start to tomorrow. Temperatures should be a little bit warmer than what we saw out there today. 30s for the basin. We'll get into the 40s in many of our west side valleys and lower 50s along the coast. Rain chances will spread a bit east as we head throughout the day. Now, as that main surge of moisture works in tomorrow night, we are going to have some big impacts to some of our higher elevations. We have winter weather advisories along the Cascades and Siskiyous starting tomorrow evening, and for the Klamath Basin a little bit later tomorrow evening, mainly the higher elevations of the basin. This doesn't include Klamath Falls, but for you folks in Chemult and for stretches of Highway 97 and those higher elevations of the east side, it does include you, and we are expecting snow, but then also some gusty winds that can make for some difficult travel in these areas. You can see about 6 to 12 inches for the Crater Lake area. Some areas could see even some higher amounts, and we'll also get some accumulating snow as you head towards the basin. Now, the big question will be how quickly do snow levels rise as we go through the day on Thursday. They'll start out about 4,000 feet in the morning, but they should rise to 5,500 feet in the afternoon. But it's possible that could get delayed, and if that happens, we could see some higher snow amounts for even some lower elevations, including Lake of the Woods, the Siskiyou Summit, and more of the Klamath Basin. We will keep you posted on that. We will see the main surge of rain and snow push to the north, so Friday, those snow levels even higher before starting to crash again on Sunday down to 3,500 feet. Now here's a look at Stormcast. Tomorrow, rain and snow showers, fairly spotty tomorrow afternoon, but then widespread rain and snow expected as we head into Thursday. And some of that rain could be very heavy for the coast. Things do start to wind down as we head into Friday. That main atmospheric river moves to the north, rain and snow, but then should come back down as we head into Saturday. Significant rain amounts expected, though, through the weekend. The coast and the coastal mountains, upwards of 3 to 6 inches of rain is possible, and we will get some gusty winds. There is a high wind watch along the coast, gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Your 7-day forecast, very soggy for the coast. No big flooding threat, but we will get area rivers to rise in the days ahead, especially into the weekend. Northern California, very unsettled through the rest of the week and even into this weekend. The Klamath Basin, rain and some accumulating snow, especially early on here, with snow levels staying a little bit on the lower side. The Cascades, some of those passes could be very difficult to traverse on Thursday and then again this weekend as those snow levels drop. And in the Rogue Valley, just going to be a rain event for us, but some of those totals could be pretty impressive for the Medford area. 1 to 3 inches of rain through the weekend.
Good to hear the folks on the coast don't have to worry about flooding. That is for sure.